Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Excel Wale Bhaiya. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, then please click on the subscribe button given below, and then you can click on the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications related to our Excel tips and tricks. So friends, today we are going to learn how to unhide all Excel sheets in one click by using our free Excel tool. So for that, you'll need to do you'll need to click on the link given in the description below and download the Excel file from the Google Drive. So once you download this Excel file, which is named as Unhide Sheets in Excel, you can copy this file and save in any of your local drives, which could be C drive, D drive or E drive, anything whichever is suitable. You can copy this file and save on any of the path. So friends, please open the file which is just downloaded from the Google Drive, and there are some basic steps, basic configurations you will need to do before we use this tool. So our first thing is, what we'll have to do, we just need to go on this green bar as you can see in the window here. So this is our green bar, and here there is a button called Quick Access Toolbar. So you just need to click on this drop down list which is called as Quick Access Toolbar, and you have to go to More Commands button, which is the second last option as you see in the screen, More Commands button. So just click on it. Yes friend, I'll repeat this step one more time. You will have to go to the Customize Quick Access Toolbar, click on the drop down list and select More Commands button. Okay friends, so here is our next step. So what you'll have to do, you have to go to this choose commands from, which is given here as you can see in the screen, and just click on this drop down list and select the macros option. Yes friends, so once you click on this macros option, you will see here a tool which is named as List Hidden Sheet as you can see in the screen. So just click on this List Hidden Sheets and click on Add. Once you click on Add button, you can see the same tool which is listed in our second table. Okay friends, so our next step is select this tool and click on Modify button. Select this tool and click on Modify button. So here what we'll have to do is, you just need to select an icon for your tool which will reflect in the green toolbar. So for time being I am selecting this eyes icon for our tool. So I just clicked on this eyes icon and clicked on OK, and then I'll click on OK button. So friends, so we have done our basic configuration settings. Our basic steps have been completed successfully. Now you can see there is a symbol, you can see that which we selected earlier, our step, the eye symbol. Now what you will need to do is, you'll have to just click on this and then our tool will open. But before that friends, as you can see in the screen, we have n number of sheets listed here. So I think these are more than 15-20 sheets. So before we start using our tool, for checking purpose, I'll just hide some of the sheets in this file. So let's say from apple, ball, cat, dog, elephant, these are just names, random names that I have listed, and I'll select these sheets from apple to king. So I think these are 4, 3, 7 and 3, 10. So these 10 sheets are there, and I'll just right click and I'll hide it. Okay friends, so in case if you do not have this tool, what you need to do earlier, you needed to right click on this and then click on unhide, then repeat the same steps multiple times to unhide all your sets. To avoid this boring task in Excel, so we have created this beautiful tool. Now we will see how to use this. So just click on this List Hidden Sheets tool which is shown here. So once you click on that, you can see friends, this beautiful tool is appearing. In this tool there are main two buttons. The first one is Unhide Selected Sheets and the second is Unhide All Sheets. So in our earlier step, what we did is we hide some of our sheets, which you can see here in the list. Yes friends, so these are our sheets that we hidden earlier, but now what we'll do, we just want to unhide all sheet in one click. So just click on the unhide all sheets button, and here you go friends. So what you did, you just open the tool, you just selected the unhide all sheets, and boom, all your sheets are unhidden. As you see here, these were the sheets we did. Yes friends, so I'll show you one more time quickly what all we did. So earlier, first of all, we'll hide these sheets. So let's say these are the sheets were hidden in your working files, and you just want to unhide these. So what you'll need to do, you'll have to go to this list hidden sheets toolbar. Once this tool is open, you can see the hidden files listed here, and just click on unhide all. So friends, I hope you find this video useful, and I hope this tool will save a lot of your work and effort, and you can avoid the boring Excel task. If you like this video, please go to our YouTube channel, do subscribe our channel, like, share and comments friends. Have a great day friends.
Subscribe, press on the bell icon. Also like, share and comment our YouTube channel Excel वाले भैया.